Hello all, welcome to the day 14 of the daily case study series for CBSE Grade 10. The question goes like this. A carpenter used to make and sell different kinds of wooden pen stands. Arav went to his shop and asked him to make a pen stand as explained below. The pen stand must be of the cuboidal shape with three conical depressions which can hold three pens. The dimensions of the cuboidal part must be 20 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 5 centimeter, and the radius and the depth of the conical depression must be 0.6 centimeter and 2.1 centimeter. Depth refers to the height of the conical part. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The volume of the cuboidal part is volume of cuboid is L times B times H, which is 20 into 15 into 5, which gives us 1500 centimeter cube. The answer is B. Second question. The total volume of the conical depressions is total volume of the conical depressions is equal to 3 times 1 by 3 pi r square h, as we have 3 depression in the stand. 22 by 7 times 0.6 can be written as 6 by 10 into 6 by 10, and h is 2.1. On evaluating, we get 2.376 centimeter cube. The answer is option C. Question 3. Volume of the wood used in the entire stand. Volume of wood used is volume of that entire cuboid minus volume of 3 depressions. Volume of cuboid is 1500 minus 2.376, which is 1497.624 centimeter cube. So the answer is option D. Fourth question. The total surface area of the cone of radius r is given by option A. Fifth question. If the cost of wood used is rupees 5 per centimeter cube, then the total cost of making the pen stand is. Now that we have calculated the volume of wood is 1497.624. Cost for 1 centimeter cube is rupees 5. Therefore, the cost for 1497.624 centimeter cube is the product of these two, which gives us 7488.12. The answer is D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.